Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive, stylish and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. Very much more stylish and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, different ideas of hairstyling of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. So beautiful ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance, fine hairstyle, messy hairstyle, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and very stylish collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas, funky colors, and so stylish collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and very stylish overall collection, overall ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Once again, I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, so please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.